Jury entry.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you. Please be seated and let the record once again reflect the presence of the defendant, Mr. Demons, his counsel, the assistant state attorneys, both ladies and gentlemen, jury. Hope you had a good week last week. In any event, we're back on, so I think the state is still on its case in chief. Can we call your next witness, please?
Yes, Your Honor. The state calls Danny Benitez.
Are you Danny Benitez?
Yes, I am, sir.
Well, this is our witness stand. Can you come up here, please? When you get there, remain standing for a bit. Raise your right hand and be sworn.
Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you should give in this case shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Please state your full legal name for the record.
Daniel Benitez.
Please spell your first and last name for the book.
Daniel Benitez.
Thank you, sir.
Please, have a seat.
Thank you.
Benitez, that microphone in front of you will adjust up or down, but it doesn't move back and forth, all right?
Okay,
Ready to go?
I'm ready to go.
Perfect. Counsel, you may proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. Good morning, Mr. Benitez.
Good morning.
Can you tell the members of the jury where you're currently employed?
Sure. I'm employed at Montessori Academy in Broward in Pembroke Pines, Florida.
And have you been employed with the Montessori School in one capacity or another since October of 26, 2018?
My wife and I started the school in 2002, and up until today, we're still involved in the school as director of the school. I'm the operations director of the school.
And back on October 26th of 2018, were you you and your wife the owner and operators of that school?
Yes, we were.
Okay. And the Montessori School, where's the specific address?
The address is 19200 Pines Boulevard, Pembroke Pines.
Okay. And you mentioned that's in the city of Miramar, correct?
Yes, I have.
So at some point in time, you provided video surveillance from your school to law enforcement, either 2018 or early 2019.
Yes, I have.
And how long is the system, how long does the video maintain until the system overrides naturally?
The system actually maintains a backup for 90 days and then overrides itself with the oldest of the events being erased.
Okay. So in order to preserve video surveillance, you would have had to capture it and preserve it within that 90-day window, correct?
Correct.
All right. And you've had an opportunity to review the video surveillance that was provided to law enforcement and then placed on a USB?
Correct.
All right. Your Honor, at this time, we're showing your counsel with pre-marked as states quadruple H, so HB, HH. May I approach the witness?
You may.
It says, is this the USB you were able to review?
Yes, it is.
And how are you able to recognize this particular USB?
Well, it has my initials on the back.
Okay, and did you sign in and initial it after reviewing the video surveillance?
Yes, I have.
Is that video surveillance a fair and accurate representation of the video surveillance that was captured back on October 26th of 2018 from the Montessori School's video surveillance system?
Yes, it is.
And that video surveillance was maintained and kept by Montessori School until it was turned over to law enforcement?
Correct.
And it's routine for you to maintain that system? In fact, you still have a system to this day?
Correct.
Your Honor, at this time, the state would move into evidence what was pre-marked as state's quadruple H. Is the next number to exhibit, I believe, 82?
And we're going to object, Your Honor. We're double checking all of the
Objections?
Excuse me. Just come sideways. Tell me what it is. The lawyers do not discuss the case, don't form any opinion about the case, don't allow anyone to discuss the case in the presence, there will be no research. Thank you. Thank you. Let the record reflect that the jury stepped down. Counsel remain along with the defendant. You want to play the video now? Show counsel the video. I don't know how long is it. How long is it?
3:40 to approximately 5 a.m. We wouldn't be intending on publishing the entire thing for the jury. But just so it's clear, this was previously provided from the record to defense counsel. We just now at sidebar learned that they had not been able to watch it and the file was corrupted. They had not told us or asked for an additional copy in any way, shape, or form.
Didn't we just take care of that sidebar? Didn't I ask them that?
Yes, Judge, but I'm making sure the record is clear on the state part on that. In addition to the other images and things that she discussed in videos, those were from the phone, and those were available for defense. They were in my office on Friday afternoon. As to the things I said I would email, that was the PDF of all the photos that were published in open court on Thursday afternoon. Just so it's very clear, because I know Ms. Liberty was a little bit confused on some of those issues. I'm not confused on anything.
Thank you. So when is, I guess, my understanding is Detective Moretti your last witness?
Yes, sir.
All right, so what happens if I wasn't going to allow Mr. Glass to testify? What were we going to do for the next 2 hours, 3 hours?
State would be ready to go, Your Honor.
So Mr. Moretti is here.
Judge, with regards to the state would be ready with witnesses, yes, or videos to play.
Thank you. We're in recess. Thanks. Ms. Liberty, did you get an opportunity to take a look at the
Yes, Your Honor, thank you.
video or the? All right. So is there any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right. So we'll do this again in front of the jury. So bring the jury in, please.
This case I was referencing is on the bench. I've already provided a copy to defense counsel. That's the Williams and the Locke cases. Right? Sorry. Right. W-R-A-G-H-T.
Thank you.
Jury entering.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you. Let the record once again reflect the presence. Please be seated. Let the record reflect the presence of the defendant, this counsel, this state attorney, ladies and gentlemen, jury, all witness, Mr. Benitez remains on the stand. Counsel, you want to proceed?
The state will move into evidence what was pre-marked as H, is 82.
Is there any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
It'll be admitted.
Nothing further.
Is there any cross-examination of this witness?
None.
Is he excused? Thank you, sir. You may step down. You're excused.
Thank you.
You're going to publish a video? No? You're going to call your next witness then? Who's your next witness?